Hi, how are you? Okay, here I want to make a short video to show how to create a store from scratch with StreamStore Cloud. So you will see that it takes 1 minute more or less, and it's really incredible. So let's begin. Here you have the instructions, what you're going to need to do when you come here to the cloud, and first to choose a store name, to choose a subdomain, and also you can change later the store name and add your own domain if you want. So let's begin. So first, the title of the store could be Super, okay, and the URL also Super. Okay, so here we have the subdomain. Here we put the username. Let's put also Super, and my email. Here's my email. 1 second. And here I put, you need to put a good email because you will receive the credentials. So also here the password, and we create our store dashboard. Okay, so here we are inside the dashboard finally, and we have our instructions here, and let's begin to make our store. So here in the ID, Amazon ID, we are going to put our ID of the country we want to market. If you have many IDs from different markets, you put all. For example, mine is Sanders 20, and I can have, for example, if I have many of them, I can choose my default Amazon market. That will be when someone that is not in these countries come to my store, so will be sent to the default. If someone comes to my store from Canada, will show the Canada market. Also will translate the store, will show only products from the market of the visitor. Okay, so now I click save, and that's it. There is no more settings to put. Now we are going to begin to make the store. We are now ready to make profits. So let's, for example, choose our category layout. What is the layout? The main page, you see here we have the main page of the US market, of UK and Canada. Now for this video we are going to set up only USA. So we have two options. One is in the main screen, the main page, to have infinite scroll. Infinite scroll is a lot of products like Pinterest that you have many, and you can choose the category you want from them. For example, you want to sell books or fashion or what you want. Another option is to have blocks. Blocks is the main page is in 4 blocks of products, and you can choose how many rows you want from each and the category. For example, here are the default, let's say fashion, electronics, Kindle book, and toys. So if we save this, we have the store ready. So let's see the store. We click here, we open, and here we have this the default template, and well, here in the store you have all the blocks. For example, the first one is fashion. Amazon sends the more bestseller products. So here you have what is going on right now, some electronics, then you have Kindle books and toys. So very easy. Right now we are ready to sell these products, and well, that's it. We are now Amazon affiliates, and we have our store, so we can send this link to anywhere, to Facebook, to put ads, to Google ads, what you want, and sell products and get commissions. Okay, so For example, if the visitor select this one, no, this watch, then they have the cart with the products, and they go to checkout, and you have the 90 days cookie, that with this cookie you have commissions for all the products the person buys the first 24 hours. So if now they want to buy something more, you get commissions for all, and 90 days waiting until he buys some of these items. So there's a lot of potential to really get commissions. So let's see something more interesting. For example, you can go, let me see, here is Amazon, and in Amazon you have a page called best sellers. So for example, you can see in all the departments, you see, for example, what is selling good. Cameras are a lot selling, well, clothes always. And also I sometimes go to movies to see what is the thematic, the topic that people are now trending. So you see Toy Story is the best product now of the movies. So let's make a store of Toy Story. More very target, you can find the target very easy, and you are in the trends, in the most bestseller product. So let's go here, and we are going to do something like this. We go to store topic, and in store topic we are going to put Toy Story and save. Okay, we make this Toy Story store. That's it. You will see. Now let's choose which categories we want to do we think is going to be good. For example, I think fashion for boys is good with Toy Story. Some also toys will be good. Let me think, maybe books for kids. And also sometimes you can try some different, for example, healthcare, and see products that no one have think about it. Okay, so now let's see the design, because the design we need is more for kids. You have a lot of templates here, and here we have one for kids that looks very nice. So let's load this one. Okay, so now let's see our Toy Story store. Okay, you see here we have beautiful header with the button, and here we have fashion for boys, all things about Toy Story, toys, very nice. Also you have here books, and healthcare. You see also you have different things for healthcare, for the teeth, and here you add your posts, will be all here, and the footer. But that's not all. You can, anyone in your store can go, for example, to music and see all about Toy Story music. Can go, I don't know, luggage, let's see, for the kids, of, I don't know. See everything about Toy Story. Infinite scroll. You can be all the day scrolling and searching for someone. Click, boom, you have the 90 days cookie set up for your visitor. This is a very big strategy, because we show too much that is impossible. If you're looking for luggage and for Toy Story, you will find someone. You are going to click some of them. It's impossible to not click. Okay, so very easy. And let's see, for example, another example. For example, watches is something more elegant. So we go here, more simple, impossible. We put watch, save, and let's choose some categories for our main page. For example, I think the best could be fashion, will be good, electronics, clocks, watches, sorry, where it is, electronics. You can show maybe healthcare, because there is watches for the beat of the heart that show you, and I don't know what more, maybe toys to make it more funny, and we save. Now we choose our template, store design, and we have here watches. Let's choose it. Okay, we have a store of watches. Let's see how it feels alone. Fashion, you have here fashion clocks, watches, electronics, healthcare, you see these are for the heart to listen, and toys of watches. And here the post, you will have to post, and we have an article creator, so don't worry about, and you have a complete store of watches. You can, for example, also let's say fashion for women. Someone comes here, is looking for a watch for woman, and let's see how many watches we can find. Well, this I don't like, this is cool, wow, this is very nice. You see, you can be searching watches again and again all day, until in some point you're going to click and get the 90 days cookie for you. So you will have 90 days waiting for these commissions. For all what this person buys is a lot of time to get the commissions. And that's it. Well, you can do for baby, let's see, baby watches. Also baby watches, well, some other things. And well, that's very, very cool. So, well, thank you very much. You see, the potential is absolutely without limit, and you can build stores, your store in a minute without problem. Very easy. Thank you very, very much.